Discover the 7 foods that will revolutionize your liver health. We live in a world where our bodies are constantly bombarded by toxins. Fast food, sodas, processed products, air pollution, and pesticides in our food. Our liver works 24 hours a day to filter and eliminate these harmful substances from the body. When your liver isn't functioning properly, you may experience constant fatigue, frequent headaches, digestive problems, and even unexplained weight gain. That's why it's essential to know exactly which foods can give your liver the support it needs to function at its maximum potential. So let's start our list. Food number 1, lemon. Lemon is a true vitamin C powerhouse and contains natural compounds that stimulate the production of liver enzymes essential for detoxification. The pectin present in lemon also helps eliminate heavy metals from the body. Drink a glass of warm water with lemon every morning on an empty stomach to boost liver cleansing. Food number 2, dark leafy greens. Examples include kale, spinach, and arugula. They are rich in chlorophyll, which works as a natural filter, neutralizing environmental toxins, heavy metals, and chemical residues. They also stimulate bile production and flow, which is fundamental for fat digestion and toxin elimination. Food number 3, broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. This includes cauliflower and cabbage. They contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates phase 2 enzymes in the liver, responsible for neutralizing carcinogenic substances and other toxic compounds. Consume at least 1 serving daily, preferably steamed to preserve their nutrients. Food number 4, beets. Beets are rich in betaine, a compound that protects the liver against fat accumulation and stimulates liver cell regeneration. They also improve blood flow to the liver and increase the efficiency of toxin filtering. Include raw beets in salads or prepare fresh juices. Food number 5, walnuts. Walnuts are an exceptional source of arginine, an amino acid that helps the liver detoxify ammonia, a toxic byproduct of protein metabolism. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, powerful antioxidants that protect liver cells against oxidative damage. Food number 6, green tea. Green tea contains catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate, which are extremely potent antioxidants. These substances protect the liver against inflammation, prevent fatty liver accumulation, and can even help regenerate damaged tissues. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. Food number 7, avocado. Avocado is rich in glutathione, considered the master antioxidant of the body. It also contains healthy monounsaturated fats that help reduce liver inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. The vitamin E present in avocado offers additional protection against oxidative stress. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these foods into your daily routine, and within a few weeks, you'll start feeling more energy, vitality, and overall well-being. Your liver will thank you for this special care. And if you want to give your liver the care it truly deserves, check out HepatoBurn. It's a natural formula developed to help your liver process fat more efficiently, support detoxification, and boost metabolism. The link is right below in the description of this video. Click and see how it can become part of your health routine.
If this content was helpful to you, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive more natural health tips. And don't forget to share this video with people who also want to take better care of their health. I'll see you in the next video.